So now we know how often we should be doing these sessions. So if we then have 19 sessions, this is how we actually put them together. If we have 19 sessions, we know that 2 of these 19 sessions have to be working on powerlifting. They have to be coming from inside this absolute strength circle. So let's say that this one is going to be powerlifting, and because we want to space them evenly throughout the program, this one is also going to be powerlifting. So there's our powerlifting sessions inserted into our programming template. That one's done. We need 3 Olympic lifting sessions. And we know that to evenly disperse them, we need about 6, 12, 18. So they're evenly spaced throughout that program. We know we need to have 6 bodyweight sessions. That needs to happen about once every 3 because 19 divided by 6 is about 3. So we're going to make this a bodyweight session, a bodyweight session, a bodyweight session, 4, 5, 6. There are your 6 bodyweight sessions. And everything else is going to be improving work capacity because that is the weakness for this athlete. Therefore, it's the thing that needs the most work. And suddenly you have 19 sessions there, a program of 19, a cycle of 19. And as long as we can say, well, this is a powerlifting session, something from this circle. So session 1, we do something from that circle. Session 2, we do something from the work capacity circle. And then our program takes shape. Can you see how now we have a macro view of what programming looks like? It's not the only way. It's not necessarily the right way for you. This is what I have found works really well, going from concept to actual application of this. And then what I would do for this athlete is simply cycle through these same 19 sessions over and over and over and over again. Now note, I'm not cycling through the same session. They're not only doing 19 sessions and then they get back to session number 1 and it's exactly the same workout. That's not the case. It's exactly the same letter, but the workout will be completely different. But it has to be working on improving their powerlifting. Session 2 has to be working on improving their work capacity. Can you see how that comes together quite neatly? Yeah?